Welcome to our channel. Today we how to calculate total mortgage cost over time, complete guide step by step clearly. To calculate the total mortgage cost over time, start by gathering relevant information. You will need the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term. First, determine your loan amount. This is the total money you plan to borrow. Next, find your mortgage interest rate. This is usually expressed as an annual percentage rate or APR. Now, identify the loan term. This is the duration over which you will repay the loan, typically in years. Once you have these figures, it's time to calculate your monthly payment. Use the following formula: M equals P times R times 1 plus R raised to the power of N, divided by 1 plus R raised to the power of N minus 1. Here, M is your monthly payment, P is the loan amount, R is the monthly interest rate, and N is the number of payments. Convert your annual interest rate into a monthly rate. To do this, divide your annual rate by 12. Next, determine the total number of payments. Multiply the loan term in years by 12. With these preparations, substitute the values into the formula. Calculate your monthly payment using the formula you've constructed. Now, you can calculate the total cost of the mortgage over its term. Multiply your monthly payment by the total number of payments. This gives you the total amount you will pay over the life of the loan. To find the total interest paid, subtract the original loan amount from this total. This final number represents your total mortgage cost over time. Keep in mind that other costs may apply, such as closing costs and property taxes. Factoring in these additional costs will give you a more comprehensive view of your mortgage expenses. Consider using a mortgage calculator for easier calculations if needed. Understanding these costs can help you make informed decisions about your mortgage. Review your calculations annually to monitor your mortgage cost effectively. Stay informed about your mortgage terms and financial obligations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.